Hey everybody, welcome back to the Salesforce for Everyone YouTube channel. So today's another fun video because we are announcing the winner of the December YouTube revenue giveaway. And this month we are giving away, as you can see in the background, $181.63. So that is my YouTube revenue for December. And as promised, we are giving all of the revenue away. We are doing this month over month. So last month we gave away just over $100. This month, we got very close to $200. The revenue went up about $50, $60 from last month. And I imagine we're going to continue to do that month over month as long as the Ohana here continues to share the videos, share the content, and give back to the Salesforce community. So if you want to be considered or put your name in the hat for winning the YouTube revenue, all you have to do is take the videos, make sure to comment on the videos when they come out, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, but most importantly, share them. Share them on LinkedIn, share them on other social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and make sure you use the hashtag Salesforce for Everyone. And what that's going to do is point people to the content. And I'm not building the YouTube channel in order to make money for me, clearly, because I'm giving it all the way to you. I'm building this so that we can give back to the Salesforce community and make them more and more aware of what their options are and how we have amazing content like the free 5-day challenge that they can get their hands on to really boost their Salesforce careers. So next month, we are already forecasting the revenue to be about $250. So go ahead and get started now. Share this video, share the 5-day challenge that I posted earlier this week, and make sure that you're really promoting this stuff so that you can put your name in the hat to win the YouTube revenue. So without further ado, the winner for December is Anita Smith. And Anita is someone actually from the Salesforce Career Development Program. And that's great because obviously I love giving it to people within my community, but she didn't win because she's in the program. She won because she shared the content the most. And what I'm going to do is put it down here. And what happened was, it's not necessarily, your name's in the hat for the drawing. So really at this point, we're only getting about 20 to 30 people who even have their name in the hat, or even potentially can be selected. And if you share more than 5 or 10 times during the month, chances are you have a very good chance of winning the YouTube revenue. So this is actually the entry that she went in for and that she actually won from. So you can see all she did was make a post and said, PSA to anyone who got laid off this year like I did. Did you know that Salesforce careers offer the lowest barrier to entry and highest income potential of any tech career? Do you want to see if Salesforce is something you might enjoy? Why not try out the free 5-day Salesforce challenge and see if Salesforce feels like a good fit for you? By the way, it's okay if you don't know what Salesforce is. I didn't prior to this year. In fact, I was working in hospitality the past few years. If you have any questions, just respond to the 5-day challenge email and Bradley Rice will get back to you really quickly. Click the link in the first comment below. And all she has is a link here that takes you to the 5-day challenge. And that's all you have to do. If you make a post like that, your name is in the hat. Because we are picking up on links being shared that relate to our content. So it takes you to our Talent Stacker page. We pick up on the fact that you were sent there by Anita and your name is entered. So you can do this as many times as you want each month. You can comment on as many videos, like as many videos as you like, and you could very easily be the next winner for our January giveaway, which again, we are expecting to be well over $200. So make sure you share, make sure you like and subscribe, get your name in the hat, and I look forward to giving the money away again at the end of January. Thanks, everybody.